How to see other items that the seller is selling on eBay. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see the other items that the seller is selling on ebay.com. So first thing you have to do is go to ebay.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. Now choose the product that the seller is selling first. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Click on the product, and now if you didn't like, for example, those glasses and you want to see other items that the seller is selling, all what you have to do is go right here to the seller information and click down here to see other items. And now, as you can see, those are the other items that the seller is selling. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.